on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel once again. We're back at it today with the AMG, the GLE63S, the new body. And man, do I have a treat for y'all. This thing is a beast. It's a monster. I'm about to hit y'all with the montage in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 630 horsepower, twin turbo V8 by AMG. Sounds amazing. Torquey. It's got the EQ power boost. It's the beauty and the beast all in one. I love these blocked out badges right here. Boom. You got the machined wheels, that big GLE face, blocked out grille, even the emblem's blocked out. Can't go wrong with this kind of spec. The interior is also very classy. It's beautiful interior, I can't lie. Got the AMG right here on the door sill. Repping Lakers, obviously. Beautiful steering wheel. You got the switches here, toggle, seats. You know, classic. Carbon fiber, Burmester sound system. Classic Mercedes kind of thing. Come back here to the rear, blocked out quad tips. So there's a little rundown of the car. But man, let's get into the favorite part. I know this is y'all favorite part, the sounds. Cause this thing roars. I'm gonna hit you with some sounds. So let's get right into that. All right, so let's start this thing up. And we're gonna start it up in race mode. Alright, just to get a little bit more of the pops. Let's give it some revs.